What is Amazon Flex and how does it work? You've seen the boxes, you've seen the vans, but lately you might have noticed something different. People in regular clothes driving their own cars, delivering Amazon packages. So, who are they? They're Amazon Flex drivers. And yes, you could be one too. Today, we are breaking down exactly what Amazon Flex is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your time. Let's get into it. Amazon Flex is a delivery program where you deliver packages using your own vehicle. It's Amazon's way of turning regular drivers into last-mile delivery partners, kind of like Uber, but instead of people, you deliver boxes. And here's the kicker. You choose your schedule, you pick your route, and you get paid directly. So how does it work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. You sign up through the Amazon Flex app. Everything starts with the app. Download Amazon Flex on your phone, create an account, and go through the onboarding process. You'll need a valid driver's license, proof of auto insurance, a qualifying vehicle, usually a sedan or larger bikes won't cut it, and a clean background check. The sign-up process can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on your location and Amazon's demand. But once you're approved, you're in. Step 2. You schedule delivery blocks. This is where the flexibility kicks in. Inside the app, you'll see available delivery blocks usually ranging from 2 to 6 hours. You can claim the ones that fit your schedule: mornings, afternoons, evenings, weekdays, weekends, whatever works for you. When your block starts, you head to an Amazon delivery station, scan in, and start loading packages into your car. The app gives you the route, turn-by-turn directions, and the exact drop-off spots. You just follow the Jeep, deliver the packages, and mark each one as delivered in the app. Step 3. You get paid fast. Amazon Flex pays by the block, not the hour. Each block has a guaranteed payment amount based on factors like distance, time, and demand. On average, drivers make $18 to $25 per hour, but it can go higher during peak times or for longer routes. And here's the best part. You get paid twice a week directly into your bank account. No need to chase invoices or wait for the end of the month. What are the pros? Flexible schedule. You work when you want. Fast payments. No waiting around. No passengers. Just you, your car, and the route. No special gear. A smartphone and a car is all you need. And for a lot of people, it's a great side hustle, perfect for students, parents, or anyone looking to boost their income on their own terms. But let's be real, what are the downsides? Wear and tear on your car, more driving equals more maintenance, ID, limited availability. Not all cities have open spots, AG, no benefits. You're an independent contractor, not an employee, package heavy blocks. Some days your car will feel like a storage unit. Also, delivery can be stressful, tight schedules, apartment buildings, confusing addresses. It's not always smooth, but if you like being on the move, staying independent, and working without a boss breathing down your neck, it's a solid option. So is Amazon Flex worth it? It depends on you. If you're looking for something flexible, fast, and solo, it might just be the perfect fit. Just know what you're signing up for. You're the driver, the customer service, and the problem solver all in one. Already tried it? Thinking about signing up? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand how Amazon Flex really works.